Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use Todoist for recurring business reminders. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to use Todoist for recurring business reminders, you need to simply open it and simply log in into the account. So once you've logged in into your account, you need to tap the plus icon or tap on the add task option. After you have done this, you need to create a new task. So I'm just preparing a new task. So I've done this. After you have done this, you can simply type in the date as well and tap on repeat. So once you have tapped the repeat option, you can get different repeat options that will help you repeat it every Sunday, every day, or stuff like this. So you can select it according to your thing. Now you can also write the thing called tire repair every day on 10 a.m. So this will be a specific reminder. So it will give you a specific reminder to do this task every day. So this is how you can use Todoist for recurring business reminders. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.